Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can start drop shipping on Bog Cartel, so let's get right into it. Now, you can drop ship in a couple different ways. You can use and connect third-party apps such as print-on-demand apps, which I will show you how to do, and you can also just find any items on third-party websites such as AliExpress, maybe even Temu, and so on and so forth, and you can start drop shipping those products by just adding them to your store on Bog Cartel. Now, to add your products, you just need to go into your products page. Then here you can either add a product manually if you're drop shipping something specific, or if you are doing print on demand, you can just click here to discover and add those products by clicking connect, which I will show you guys how to do. Now here, as you'll see, you have product sourcing and creation such as Printful and Art of Wear, have customer service, you have marketing and promotion, you have shop design, you have shop management and shipping, etc., etc. So for example, let's select Printful. Whoops. You also have sales channels and other things like that. I'm not sure how I missed those. There we go. Product sourcing and creation. You can just click on Printful, and here you'll be able to connect that to your Bog Cartel store. Now, of course, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan if you wish to use these products or these third-party applications. However, once you do, you just need to follow the steps and the functionalities, and everything should be perfect. Now, on products, you just need to go ahead and find any product you want on a third-party store. So, for example, let's go add a product, and let's say, just as an example, I found some, I don't know, I found a hat I really like and I would like to sell on AliExpress. Just enter the product name. So, for example, hat, description, hat, category. Whoops. You can manage categories if you have them. I don't have any categories. I've skipped over that. I thought I didn't. For status, you should click active and price, let's say $10. And once you set that, you can add variants if you want. You can add the shipping information to which country and so on and so forth. And you can also set up a US tax category. And once you're done, you can just click on save. And that's going to save your product if you fill out your shipping well, shipping details. Then let's say, for example, I'll do Bulgaria for a loan. I'll add the shipping cost at 5, or with others I'm going to add 2.5, for example, and then we can click save, and there we go. I have a new product. If I go over into my dashboard, or yeah, under products, you'll see I have that hat, and you can also see that hat if you go into your account and go into your shop design. If we go into my shop designer and select the main page, you will be able to see the product right over here. Now, of course, it doesn't have an image, but you can just modify the product settings later. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.